Torrential rains battered northwestern Haiti, leading to flash floods, which brought about at least 7 fatalities and 10 other people injured. Authorities specify that about 11,000 buildings have been flooded. Subsequently, deaths have been reported in Ruth Regras, Kwamoses, and Mount Bethel areas. In addition, data are still being collected on locations, damages to houses, schools, private offices, and other facilities in various areas of Port-au-Paix. In this context, the Hydrometeorological Unit of Haiti issued Monday a flood alert for the departments of North and Grand Anse.